We are using all 6 plies of floss and 8-count fabric to demonstrate basic cross stitch. This is Aida cloth, but any even weave fabric will work. Start by threading the needle. Fold the floss in half and put through the needle. Folding the floss helps keep the plies from separating. Coming from the bottom, start your cross stitch in one hole and move diagonally to the opposite hole. Pull the floss until you feel about a 2-inch tail left under the fabric. Don't tie a knot, but rather hold on to the tail and stitch over it as you work, working it into the stitches. Most stitchers work from left to right and then from bottom to top, but you can make the stitch in any combination, such as left to right and top to bottom, as long as it's consistent within your project. Make all of the diagonals of one color first in any row, then return to complete the X as you work back. You may work horizontally or vertically. When you've finished, hide the final thread on the back side by weaving it through the stitches. We have very few stitches here, but you can see how the beginning thread is secured under the stitches, and the final thread is woven behind the cross stitches as well. Clip the ending threads carefully. Many designs call for backstitching. Backstitching is outlining the cross stitch area. It's usually done with less plies than the areas that are filled in, oftentimes 1 or 2 plies, but we're using 6 for demonstration purposes. Put the needle in the hole and back through, coming up 2 holes away. Then repeat until the entire area is outlined. If your floss becomes tangled, gently straighten it out and continue. Backstitching is usually done after all of the cross stitching is finished.